it's Crave-19 here, and today for this video I'm going to be doing a rare spike wristband giveaway, and all you have to do is be subscribed, like this video, and comment your username down below, and also comment down what your favorite thing to do is in AJ, like trading, playing games, and stuff like that. But first I'm going to be doing the Forgotten Desert, but like a newer version, not like the old other video kind or whatever. So yeah, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. guys, I got some interesting prizes from the Forgotten Desert. I'm really sad I didn't find that last gem, but I still got some good prizes. Anywho, I'm going to be announcing the Rare Spike giveaway in like a week or so. So if you don't win, please don't unsubscribe because I'll always do more Rare Spike giveaways. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and bye guys!